Period. Hey loves, what's up? It's your girl Nene. Okay, so for real though, hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time. I've actually totally missed filming for YouTube. If you're new here, you probably know nothing, so just subscribe to my channel and get to know me, feel comfortable and all that shit. An OG on this channel, then you know that this entire setup is new, all new shit, you know. 2021, I gotta level up my game. But yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and he like that when he get it up.
Today's vlog is all about my life updates. I mean, it's my YouTube channel, so literally it's always about my life, but today's video is literally a life update, because I feel like before I go into giving you all the content that I want to this year, it's sort of like important to update you about what's currently happening in my life, where I am, why there's a new setup. I mean, just get to know me a little bit before I start to dish out the main content for the year. So to be honest with you, I really thought I was going to drop a couple of videos in January, but you know, life happened. I did some moving, I had to settle in, I had to figure out like a new schedule to my life, stuff like that. Anyways, life happened in general. I'm not complaining. I'm really grateful for where I am, where I have been, and where I'm going to, because I know it's only filled with greatness, not just for me but for you too as well. I'm just gonna go straight right into talking about my life and what I have been up to this new year. Basically, I think I'm going to start with my filming gear, what I'm filming with right now. As if you're an OG, obviously you know that I've been filming with my iPhone, which is this bad boy right here, an iPhone XX Max for the longest time. I usually film with my phone and edit with my phone, but now I'm currently using this baby right here. I mean, can you see the difference? I'm currently using a Canon M50. You guys, I don't know if that's the real name, but I'm using a Canon. That's all I know for now, but I think it's M50. I can't be wrong about that. And I love the fact that it blurs out my background automatically. I haven't really played around with the settings. I just go to auto, to be honest. I'm still using the kit lens. I was told that I need to buy a new lens because this doesn't accept much light as it should, but I think my lighting is great. That's one thing I did in this room before moving in. I put on a lot of lights, and I have two external lights that I use one softbox and I use one LED light. The LED lights are new, but before I go to the lights, I'm still talking about my camera. I've got the Rode microphone up too, and I love this camera because I have the flip screen where I can see myself as I'm filming, and that makes a whole lot of difference for me, because before I had to connect to like my laptop to looking at the settings, or I had to be standing up to checking, oh, am I in the middle, am I not in the middle? So all of that rubbish is sort of like cut off. Next up, I have my LED lights, which is right here shining in my eyes so much. I think I have to move it. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so I moved the lights out of the way, but I'm hoping that it didn't affect my lighting on here, because I had to move it. It was pointing directly into my eyes, and if you didn't know, I wear glasses, recommended glasses, and one of my eye problems is actually astigmatism and short-sightedness. Astigmatism means that light affects my eyes basically, so I hate to look at lights directly. Okay, so as you can see, this is what me filming in my camera looks like, and this is what me filming on my phone looks like, or rather looks like. So I'm guessing you can see the difference. I don't know. That aside, I'm really happy about my new tools. But next up in my life that's major is me moving out of my parents' house. whenever you tell your parents you want to move out and you're female and you're not moving out because you're getting married, it's a big deal. I don't blame them because Nigeria is listed amongst one of the countries that are dangerous for women living in. So I wouldn't blame Nigerian parents for getting worried when their female child tells them that they want to leave the comfort of their house to live on their own and pay rent. My parents' house was like after Aja. I don't know if you live in Lagos, then you probably know where after Aja is. So like Awiyaya, and there's literally just one road from Lekki to there, and it's a madhouse when there's traffic, and I could spend hours in traffic. I was spending money on my Uber, all of those things. And personally, I'm always been a person that loves to stay on our own. I love to do my own thing and have my own space and all of that. And I feel like when you're in your parents' house, you're very comfortable with spending your money. It's not like I wasn't saving my money, but I just wanted to step up my game when it comes to accountability for my money and making more money and just being responsible. I felt like I needed to do these things before I got married and moved to another person's house to take care of another household. I needed to do that for myself as a person before I do that for a whole family and another human being. I had this in mind like a year ago. I prayed about it. I also fasted about this decision. I was like, you know what, God, if this is something you want me to do, I mean, this is what I want, but if this is what you want, if this is also your part of your plan for me, like, let everything fall into place by the end of the year. Money was available. The place I was even going to move to was available. To be honest, I didn't even, you know how people go for house hunting in Lagos? I don't have any of those stories. Let's fast forward to me telling my parents. And being me, I love text messages more than I love confrontational type situations. I send them a message that, you know, I'm gonna be moving out the next year because it was last year December and everything, you know, your baby girl's gonna be moving out, da 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 da. Anyways, fast forward to after Christmas, after New Year, and they had family meeting on my matter, on my head. And they basically started talking about everything, not just even me moving out, starting from my work job, because you know I'm into new age type of job. I'm a digital content creator, digital marketer, content creator, so it's quite new to my parents. They just want to know that what I'm doing is going to last me over time, so they wanted to understand my job better, if I can build on it and have a life based on it. Then obviously they talked about marriage too. That aside, about me moving out and everything, just sharing their concerns, wanted to understand where I was coming from. I think that was their major problem, trying to understand where I was coming from. My brother sort of like was the middleman, trying to bridge that gap. Anyways, fast forward to the new year. We came back to Lagos because we all traveled to the village for Christmas, because I'm Igbo, right? We came back and I sent, you know, I prayed to God about it. I was like, you know, God, I probably need to send a message, a proper detailed message on what to tell them, so that it's not like just saying no, I've heard your advice, I'm still saying no. So I came up with like a detailed message. I typed it out and I sent it, and I got their approval and their prayers, and I'm here because I'm happy. I never want to do any or take on any major decisions in my life without my parents' prayers and approval, because I feel like they take me through life. They're blessings to me. Okay, so that's that. You can now see like the bigger picture of everything. Moved out, your girl is now a full-grown adult, have bills to pay, rent, water. Literally have to take care of myself in terms of everything. But one other major thing that's happened is this room right here. I changed the floor, repainted, got a new bed frame, got AC. Like, in my next video, I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so in my next video I'll be giving you guys a room tour. Even though my room is quite not ready yet, I don't think it's not ready to the standard I want. I still need like a makeup drawer, my floating shelves, I need to put up my frames and all of that, and then it's perfectly ready. Day 2 of my table. This is supposed to be my workspace right here, so I'm waiting for my table to come in and for the carpenter to come spray my floating shelves and come and fix them here. Right, this is my mirror. Everyone already knows my mirror. I just got this plant today, day 1. I went plant shopping. I really love it. I just hope that I can keep it healthy as possible. Then my bed hasn't come. My bed frame hasn't come yet, so I'm still waiting on that. So this is so like a mess. Then I have my fan. Got another plant too. This is my basket with some shit inside. And I'm also using my AC, which should be fixed between tomorrow, Wednesday. Yeah, tomorrow and Wednesday-ish, depending. Area is going to be this. I was probably day blind, so I might get curtains soon just so I can block out the inside of my house. This is the bathroom. I'm really not doing much. This is my basket. I'm going to get like what do you call it? Floating shelves, and also going to put a mirror here for my bathroom. So yeah. Also, I got my floors done just because. Anyways, this is it. A tiny cute space. Say hi to both guys. Hi. Okay loves, we've come to the end of today's exciting video. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video next week.